Yeah, we're in
No.
the middle of Wyoming.
Oh.
Acting like we're in war. This is Sergeant Major Morales.
We're here at the 419th Headquarters Battalion AT-05 here in Guernsey, Wyoming.
Well, I think it's pretty scenic. It's got a lot of things to offer, but it's in the middle of nowhere.
Let's see the wildlife in Wyoming. Some wildlife.
There's a snake in there.
Wire?
Look, there's a rabbit right there. Cortez, smile for the camera.
You didn't do it.
Just cutting, motherfuckers. Side bitch, boom.
Oh! No, boom.
Now here we got Morales here.
Lock and load your magazine.
I'm having the cordon bleu with a slight onion sauce and red wine. Oh shit, it's all over my pants now.
Here, let me get it.
Waitress, hey, waitress.
What? You want some carne? ¿Quiere carne asada? Frijoles de la olla, carne asada, mashed potatoes. Yummy, no salt. Frijoles de la olla.
Who wants some gravy? Look at that shit. Dang. It's frijoles de Oscar de la Hoya.
Chuck's having a heart attack.
Say hi to the camera, Cortez.
You recording?
Yep.
Take a picture of that shit, dude. Fucking laundromat and car wash. My camera, cabrón.
I could have started it.
You did.
I think I did.
This is the part they don't show in the commercials.
I can't put it in straight.
Because you're not straight. It's a specialist.
Maybe I should flip it upside down.
Well, that's fine.
You like it?
There's Gerardo with Rico Suave.
I was Mexican, but now I'm black.
I let. Yeah, see. Oh yeah, there you go.
Are we locking up the vehicles?
Get this shit out of my face.
And recording.
You're not. This is a cut.
Oh, I'm sorry.